Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're going to give you a nice video here of a 2014 Moffett M55 sitting here with 1900, showing 1934 hours. Has a 10-foot mast. You got nice new tires all the way around. You also have brick and block forks, but for free. We can switch those out for pallet forks, so you can have either or. If you want both, that'll be extra. This thing's been completely repainted and also refurbished. Now, when we repaint these, we remove the roll cage, the diamond plating, the seat, many of these covers. Here you have new covers there, your battery box, your hydraulic manifold cover there, the front and back door. We paint these separately and then put them back together so you get a nice finish in between everything. We also put you all new stickers on here. Now, when we refurbish these, what we do is we go in and look for anything leaking, such as the hoses, the cylinders, the wheel motors. And we pressure and leak test the hydraulic pump. Anything that's bad is replaced. If it checks out, it's left go. Also the same way with wearable parts such as pins, bushings, mass bearings, chains, rollers, anything of that matter that is wearable. We go ahead and check it out. This has a Kubota V2203 in here. It has, you've had all your oil changed here. We also give you a top view of this clean engine bay. Now we'll guarantee this engine for 30 days. We'll give you an operational guarantee on the Moffett itself. What that means, it's going to be in condition I've shown you here today, or we're going to help you get it fixed. Very short term, just when it shows up. So if you want to buy it online and not even come here and look at it, you can trust what you see. Now that's very short term. When it shows up, operates, you're done. But then that engine, we're going to back that up for 30 more days. And we're going to go ahead and fire it up and show you how nice she runs. I'm going to take this Kubota engine to life. Now we're going to go ahead and show you some mast operations. Here's your mast going up and down. We have tilt. We have side shift. Outriggers. Mast carriage in and out. I'm going to go ahead and drive this around, show you how nice it operates. All your wheel motors are nice and strong, all in sync. You have tight steering. All your lights are working. You also have a backup alarm. And we're going to go ahead and you can give us a call at 260-238-4998, 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thanks for checking out this video.